Hi, Paulami Das from Museum Memories Project. So this particular museum partnership is with MoCA Goa. It is the Museum of Christian Art Goa, which some of you might have visited. But today is a very exciting one because we are going to be part of the journey in Museum Musafir with a museum insider's tale with some of the staff who are integral to the functioning of MoCA Goa, and they give us a very fascinating insight behind the scenes of their favorite spaces, their favorite memories, and their favorite artifacts from the Museum of Christian Art Goa. And we will now follow Natasha Fernandez, the curator, along with some of their staff like Gunjan, who's their education person, and the guard, their shop assistant, their volunteers, and people who've been working for a decade, more than a decade with the museum, and people who have just joined a few months back. So enjoy this journey, give a feedback. If you want to be a museum partner with us, then please email at museummemoriesproject@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, hi, can you introduce yourself to us?
Hi, my name is Natasha. I'm the curator at the Museum of Christian Art, which is popularly called MoCA.
Okay. And how long have you worked at MoCA?
17 years and counting.
Okay, and what do you look forward to the most when you come through the doorways of MoCA every morning?
I think what I look forward to the most is the peace and the quiet because we come here before all visitors do and we enjoy the calm of this space the most.
Okay, and what is your favorite memory from all the years that you've been at MoCA?
I think every day is special, but for me, what seems to be the most memorable at this point is the visit of the President of Portugal when he visited the museum and the Church of Santa Monica in 2020.
Okay, and last question, what is your favorite object in the MoCA collection?
There are so many, but I think if I had to pick one, it would be the Santa Maria, the Virgin and Child in a beautiful frame. I think the tenderness with which the Virgin Mary is looking at her child is how, as mothers, we all look at our children, and that is one that is very close to my heart.
Okay. Hi, can you introduce yourself to us?
Hi, my name is Tanvi Prabhu.
And what do you do, Tanvi?
I am a volunteer at MoCA.
How long have you been working at MoCA?
It's been about a month.
Okay, and what do you do when you volunteer?
I conduct the Holy Hill Heritage Walks.
What is your favorite part about working at MoCA?
My favorite part is obviously the people and Diendra's Kokam Sharbat and brownies.
And do you have a favorite memory from your time at MoCA?
Okay, so my favorite memory would be when we went to the convent of Santa Monica and we got to see and experience the interior part and can't just get over how beautiful it was.
Okay, and one last thing, what is your favorite object at MoCA?
So my favorite object here at MoCA is the ivory Pieta. I just love how she has been, okay, so...
Can you describe your favorite object at MoCA?
Okay, so my favorite object at MoCA is the ivory Pieta. I just love how she's portrayed as a very warm, Indianized figure. I love the intricate work on her drapery as well as the crown on her head.
Hi, can you introduce yourself to us?
Hi everyone, I'm Benjamin Monserrat. I'm the Curatorial Associate and Educator at MoCA.
And can you explain what you do at MoCA?
So basically here, as part of my job, I plan events for the month, facilitate visits of different dignitaries, school visits, and also help as a museum educator, help in facilitating the school programs.
What is your favorite part about working at MoCA?
Favorite part about working here in MoCA is it's every day just a new learning experience. You get to learn so much about Goa's history, heritage and culture just being here.
And how long have you worked at MoCA?
I have worked over here for approximately 1.5 years.
Can you tell us about a favorite memory of yours from your 1.5 years here?
I would say the favorite memory I think would be the group bonding sessions and just talking and when we discuss events And then food is also a very big part of all our discussions.
Okay, and can you tell us a little bit about your favorite object at Mocha?
My favorite object at Mocha would be the infant Jesus in Kennedy bed. I just love that object because it's first of all the intricate designs and it's very beautiful, and also it's a perfect example of Indo-Portuguese art.
Hi, can you introduce yourself to us?
Myself, Valentini.
And what do you do at Mocha?
I work as a shop associate here.
And how long have you worked at Mocha?
It's for the past 5 years.
And what is your favorite part about working here?
I really like the environment in the museum and with the staff very friendly here, and obviously different activities that take place in Mocha.
And can you tell us one favorite memory of yours from the last 5 years?
The last 5 years, I think the most favorite memory, I remember the first time we celebrated the 19th December Christmas Natal pop-up.
And what is your favorite object?
My favorite object is the pelican.
Can you tell us why?
It's like the sacrifice of the mother to its babies, so I just like it because it really symbolizes the sacrifice.
Can you introduce yourself to
Hi,
us?
my name is Bhavna and I'm an intern at Mocha.
And what do you do at Mocha?
I help with the guided walks, and I also do a special walk known as Odyssey of the Saints.
And how long have you worked at Mocha?
Almost 2 months.
Your favorite part about working at Mocha?
Waiting for the visitors to come and interact with the exhibits.
And can you tell us a favorite memory of yours from the last 2 months?
I think working with the staff and enjoying our time together.
And what is your favorite object at Mocha?
My favorite object would be Infant Jesus, the Savior of the world, because it's like a classic Indo-Portuguese exhibit with Eastern and Western influences.
Can you tell us what your favorite part is working at the museum?
I work with a really lively bunch of people, so one of my favorite things is just coming into the office every day, and I love the exchange of ideas that takes place, and yeah, we eat a lot together, so I just love the fact that I get to meet these people every morning.
Hi, can you tell us your name
My name is Kunjan Mitra.
and what do you do at the museum?
I work here as a museum educator, which means I help do guided tours, I do heritage walks, workshops, and I also manage the social media
And how long have you worked at the museum?
for almost 2 years now.
What's your favorite memory at the museum?
I think my favorite memory is last year in May, we went to Delhi for the museum expo there, and it was a really fun experience. I got to interact with lots and lots of different museum organizations across India. So it's been one of my favorite experiences.
And can you tell us your favorite object in the museum?
My favorite object is called Nirmala Mata. She's this really tiny figure of a very Hindu-looking goddess. It's actually a depiction of Mary. I think it's a really good example of Indo-Portuguese art and the sort of intermix we talk about when we describe this.
Okay, thank you.
Can you introduce yourself to us?
Yes, my name is Sonia.
And how long have you worked at Mocha?
Almost
2 years. And what do you do at Mocha?
I'm on ticket counter.
Okay. And what is your favorite part about working here?
Very familiar people like to
Okay. And your favorite object?
pelican.
The pelican. Okay. Thank you. Can you tell us your name?
Hello, I'm Krisha Prabhudasai.
And what do you do at Mocha?
I'm a volunteer at Mocha.
What do you do when you volunteer here?
I conduct the Holy Heritage Walks, Holy Hill Heritage Walks.
And how long have you been conducting these walks?
Around a month.
Okay. Can you tell us a favorite thing of working at Mocha for you?
The collection, roaming around freely around the collection. The food, the people. The people.
And what is your favorite memory from Mocha?
Conducting the walks is my favorite. Also, being a part of the concert, organizing and all that.
And can you tell us about one favorite object at Mocha?
I would say the incense boat, because it also reflects the fact that Portugal was a seaborne empire, the discoveries, exploration. So I love that.
Okay. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम धनचंद्र सिंह है।
और आप मोका में कब से हो?
मैं 1 साल होने को आया हूँ।
आप क्या करते हो यहाँ पे?
सिक्योरिटी सुपरवाइजर कर रहा हूँ।
आपका सबसे फेवरेट पार्ट क्या है मोका में काम करने का?
मोका में काम करने से सबसे फेवरेट नया नया लोग से मिलने का, काम का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत हो गया है और लोगों से बातचीत करने का, रहन सहन के तरीका ये सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
और ऐसा कोई इवेंट हुआ है मोका में जो आपका सबसे फेवरेट रहा है?
हाँ हुआ है।
डिस्क्राइब करेंगे आप कौन सा?
जो क्या बोलता है वो तो मेरे को उतना मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन जो लोग ने सब सर्वे किया था उसको दिखाया था, वो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
और आपका कोई फेवरेट ऑब्जेक्ट है मोका के अंदर?
पेलिक्विन।
यस, ओके, थैंक यू.
जालें
तिरशे खंय ना
नेम?
तुझे नाव सांग.
माझें नाव कुसुम पांडव मडगेकर.
तू कितें काम करता?
हांव
म्युजियमान तुजें काम कितें?
म्युजियमान गार्डनान काम करपाचें जाता. आतां म्हाका काम दवरलं ना, अशें गार्डनान काम करून सारोन मार हांव
कितली वर्सां जाली तुका?
उठरा
18 वर्सां जाली.
फेवरेट मेमरी?
तुजी मेमरी कितें आसा हांगासरल्यो बऱ्यो? कितें तुजें कितें
सगळें म्हाका बरें सांग.
वॉट डज शी लायक अबाउट?
ऑब्जेक्ट भितर कितें आसा
तो.
तें पेलिकन म्हणटात.
पेलिकन.
पूण तें सगळें बरें आवडटा
इगल
म्हाका.
इगल.
अँड वॉट डज शी लायक अबाउट वर्किंग हियर?
तुका काम करपाक कशें आवडटा सगळ्यां मदीं? कितें आवडटा काय कशें कितें?
आवडटा सगळें.